Envision your wall adorned with the enchanting essence of mother of pearl, creating a magical and serene ambience that surrounds you. Hunter Pearl brings this ethereal quality to your space, transforming it into a tranquil sanctuary that captivates the senses and elevates the atmosphere. Required materials: metal trowel, paint roller, plastic bag, Makaw Gray Koala, Pearl White Makaw Effect Paint, Sinclair Semi-Gloss Latex White, and Sinclair Acrycolor Black. Ensure the surface is thoroughly cleaned, removing any dirt, particles, or contaminants. Use a metal trowel to randomly apply Makaw Gray Koala Decorative Lime Plaster as a base, allowing it to dry for 30 minutes. Apply a single coat of your preferred color gray latex paint, mixing Sinclair's Semi-Gloss Latex White with Acrycolor Black, using a roller across the entire surface. Then let it dry for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Apply Pearl White Makaw Effect paint randomly onto the surface, using a crumpled plastic or sponge tool to create a design until the entire area is covered. Employ a trowel to smooth out any raised surfaces, resulting from the sponging technique, then let it dry for 1 hour. Cover your walls with the magical beauty of Hunter Pearl, a Makaw Venezia design finish.